That's one of the old ones.
Yeah.
Put a neon here. It was a prototype.
Morning.
Hi.
So humid outside that my camera was starting to fog up right in the beginning here, but we did pick up 5 Downtown Abbey DVDs for 50 cents each right before this. Would you do a deal if I buy all 5 of these?
All 5?
Yeah, you have $2 a piece on them.
Okay.
Would take $5 for all of them? $1 a piece?
I'll take $5 for all.
All right, cool. I love the Coca-Cola stuff.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh wow, I see you got more Coca-Cola stuff too.
Yeah, there's 2 trays there.
2 trays. 93. Oh, these right here.
There's a little plug it up. Yeah. If you plug it in, this is the backup battery. So you pull it out. Here we go here.
That's one of the old ones.
Yeah. So I used to put on the music there, and I was able to use it around the house or put it outside or whatever.
I had something plugged into that, and I don't know what it was. I got rid of it.
Got 40 cents. I've got change if you need. I don't know. 30 cents. 40 or 30.
I don't know what's there.
Thank you.
I don't know what it's there.
You need a bag? Oh, here we go. These two. Oh, there. You can put it there.
When's the last time these were used?
Oh, my husband bought them for me, and I used to put them in the airplane, but now I have.
Oh, you got those.
But recently, I would say I had it packed for about 2 years now.
Okay. They were working fine though last time
Oh
you used
yeah,
them
they're
and stuff like
working
that?
fine. As a matter of fact, there's, I guess you know how they work, because
Yeah.
when I first got them, I kept saying to my husband, they don't work.
They don't work, yeah.
And it's because they have a little button
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
I've got put a little pile right there with stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw the sport. Is that stuff for sale by any chance?
No.
Okay. I just saw the Batman. I was like, oh, the Batman sports cards.
No. All right. So.
Figured I would ask. Are these new?
Yep. You're new. This one is new. That one is new. That's not even open. I don't know who. It's just people give you gifts and then you're having your
There's some clothes back here, some cute summer dresses and that type of thing. Anybody's interested. Most everything on this table is $5 each.
How much is this one?
This one here is
Yes.
Oh, 20.
what?
Is it 20?
Yeah, 20.
Oh, 20. Okay.
This one has one of those strainers.
Yeah.
So it's, like I said, I've never opened it because I had it. Don't put your glasses
All right, I'll cash out with you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, it's $17.50.
We'll just do 18, 19, 20.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, what was this, by the way?
This is a Bose system, but it's based on having the iPod in it. And then you can, you know, this is a backup
Yeah.
charger. But nobody has iPods anymore.
I know. Yeah.
So
What are you asking for it?
actually, Hazen was the one that put this out here. Yeah, he wanted $40 for it.
$40.
Yeah.
Bose iPod system. Just gonna-
Yeah, let me show you. So this is the backup battery. This goes in the back once it's charged. You see here? And then it comes with.
Oh, the
when I bought
Bose.
it. See?
Yeah.
So this is what you need
Yeah.
to.
You pop
This
it
is
in
like
there. Yeah, I'm familiar with that one. Old electronics usually sell really good on eBay, but at $40, there wasn't any room to really make any profits on this one, so I decided to pass. Morning.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
You're fine, come, look.
These are older toys he just brought out.
Okay. So as I'm walking up to this yard sale to take a look at this bin of toys, the lady that was there already at the sale stopped what she was doing to cut in front of me to check the bin first. So she said I can dig through it, but at that point I was like, just have it. I'll dig through it when you're done.
Yeah, those are like from the 80s and 90s, so they're a little bit more valuable than the ones that are around today.
Would you do 30?
Yeah.
No, 40 solid.
Yeah.
Are you done looking through that, ma'am?
Yes, honey.
Okay.
Thank you.
No
Sorry
problem.
about that.
No problem. Unfortunately, I was a little too late to the sale, and it looks like she ended up taking all the Ninja Turtles that were in here. There wasn't anything special, but there was probably about a dozen Ninja Turtle figures from the early 90s.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Do you have any other old toys, or is this it?
That's it. Yeah.
Any comic book, video game stuff at all?
No.
No.
No. I wish.
What do you have on these two? Oh.
Do.
Actually, never mind. This is busted. Wheels are busted off.
Okay.
It's missing the wheels.
So that one would do 20.
20. I'll pass on that one. Thank you, though.
Sure, no problem.
Do you have an idea like what you have? You have like several dollars?
I have a lot of coins. I have silver.
That buy even, silver plate, silver.
I have antiques. I have. Do you want my name and number?
Sure, we can do that.
Yeah.
Excuse me, how much is a dumbbell?
$8.
$8. Dumbbells are great sellers on eBay, believe it or not, because you can ship them in a flat rate box for 15 to 20 bucks. So when I do buy dumbbells, I try to get them around 25 cents a pound, somewhere in that ballpark. And then you can usually get anywhere from $1 or more per pound on eBay. At $8, I just had to pass on this one.
The antiques is harder to determine.
It's not furniture.
Okay.
It's like
Smalls and things like that.
a lot of. Okay, and then I'll call you within the next couple of days. I'll pull
Okay,
it out.
that'd be great. Yeah, next week if you have a chance, that'd be great.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do you have an envelope with my name on it?
Oh, I'll just stick it in my wallet.
Oh, okay, all right, yeah.
You have $2 in the hat. Will you take $1?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Do you have any other old hats like this? No?
I got some FSU ponchos.
Well, I may need that in about 20 minutes, so.
I may mark them up.
You might, yeah, I was gonna say, you might want to hold those when it rains, start marking them up, you make a killing.
Okay.
This is actually really cool.
I came back around.
Did you tell her you had her big circle? I thought I'd get another patch of yard sale. Got out later.
Yeah, no, we are.
Thank you.
You guys been busy today?
Not at all.
No, I figure the weather's gonna scare people off.
The weather, and they didn't advertise this at all.
Oh, you guys supposed to have a community sale in here?
Yeah. This
Oh.
is
Yeah, I didn't see any advertisement for it.
like entire gay bar. And they didn't even put up a banner.
Yeah, I know the other community down there there's like 3 houses, and there's only one other house in your neighborhood here doing it right now.
And they won't let us put up signs.
signs in my yard. Stop me from doing that.
Yeah, by the time they yell at you, it's gonna be too late anyway.
Right.
So it's
Here's your notice, and you have 24 hours to take them down. Well, they've been down for a week. Yeah.
yeah. Disney. That's cool. Do you have any more Disney sweatshirts?
I don't.
No, these are cool.
Used to go to Disney. Used to go to Disney a lot.
Yeah, it's so expensive. I'm gonna get these. I'm just gonna put them right there. So.
Okay.
And keep looking.
Please. What we lack in volume of customers, we need in volume of items. Morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. You?
Good.
So like they were barely even worn.
That is very true.
This pair of Skechers. Columbia. Look at these two.
Okay.
Sony media player. Oh, is this just a switch box?
No, it's
Oh no, it's not.
it goes for like older TVs. So that box could have Netflix and
Oh, God. And you just
you know, all your streaming services.
SP.
You can connect that box to the internet, and then you can play that on any TV. Then you have to a smart TV.
The hangers are not included.
They're not included.
No, the
You're
hangers
fine.
are not included.
Yeah, you're good. Some books. Who signed the
I can't
John?
recall. I've had it for some. Oh, this is.
That's John Gruden.
Gruden.
John
Yeah.
Gruden, yeah.
Yeah.
Signed Yankees baseball.
Yeah, that one I can't remember who that is. We got free tickets to a Yankees training game.
I know what you're thinking. Does she have the purse I was looking at earlier? And the answer is yes. I'm an idiot. I put it down. I walked away. I went to grab it, and she already came and picked it up. But she'll look at something here and put it back down, and I'll grab it. So it all works out in the end.
They're coming off.
This here. Grab that.
Oh, the pillows? $3.50.
Safes. Nope.
Thank you.
It plugs in, right, and lights up.
Well, yeah, if you put a neon here, it was a prototype company that they built like 3 of these, and we're trying to get the Bucks to buy it for their really big ticket holders.
Gotcha. That was chipped.
Yeah.
It's a cool piece though. Sporting basketball. Is there a reason why the safes are different prices?
Yeah, that one has a little crack on the bottom.
Oh, which one does? The bottom one?
Bottom one, so we marked it down a little bit less.
Okay.
Trying to be fair. It makes somebody ask more
Yeah,
than
yeah,
anything.
yeah. I was like,
Yeah.
I'm looking at the numbers. And I'm like, am I missing something
They
here?
don't seem that stupid, no. Are you into audio at all?
Yeah, yeah,
Have you ever heard of a WIM Mini?
yeah. No, what is that?
It's a audio streamer. And so basically you take your digital in and take it out to your receiver. And then it has an app. You can play Tidal, Spotify, everything through it. They're normally like 120.
What are you asking for it?
40.
40.
Yeah, we had it, have it on offer up. I thought I'll try it out here too.
Yeah, why not? Usually when people tell me they have the items listed online for sale, that means they're gonna be closer to market value, and more than likely you're not gonna be able to make much profit on these, if any. So that's usually a red flag that you just probably wanna move on from those items and see what else you can find that's not listed online for sale. I'm still gonna look into the other stuff here. Oh shit, my windows are open.
It's on the bottom. Yeah.
I'll catch out with you real fast.
There's a little crack.
Oh, I'm ready to catch out.
Okay.
I got, oh, sorry.
That's okay.
No, you take care of her.
I don't.
I love it. I use these all the time.
Yeah.
I like the lids. I'm not allowed to buy any more without lids because I have too many.
Okay, so 18, 19. It's just this here
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then these.
Yes,
19.
19. Sounds like a great deal.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, let me get you a. How much is the
We found some great items today. If you guys like these videos, please make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel here. Also, check out this next video that's gonna pop up here. It was a great yard sale. We found a lot of really good items. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.